Good morning, everybody. It is April 30th, and you should be looking in language arts. So today, all we're doing is if you have not taken the common assessment, you need to take that common assessment today, okay? If you have taken the common assessment, you can go back, finish your read works, and you'll be done for the week. But it's really important for all of you that have not finished the common assessment to do that today, okay? So these are the steps to take the common assessment. It's the same thing that you guys do in school to take a test online, okay? You just log in, you click assessment, and then you put the code in, and right under here is going to be the code, okay? If you just look down past this arrow, you'll see the code in capital and bold letters. That'll be your code to take your language arts test. So get that done today, and I hope you guys have a great day.